kiss for you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my another video on Android app development. And so guys, in this video I am going to give you a short demo of my new app, and that is the funny faces camera using Android Studio and augmented reality. Alright guys, so this is the application that you can use to apply the stickers onto your face automatically using the augmented reality. And also this app will give you the feature to capture the image and also to apply some funny faces like the Snapchat clone. So you can say it like it is the Snapchat clone app. Okay, so and also you can there is a complete photo editor app inside this one, so you can edit your you can edit your images. And okay, so let me just first of all give you a short demo. So here you can see that, let me open the app again, and there you can see face app, and you can there is some animation going on here. And okay, so there you can see the camera is opened, so I will use the rear side of the camera, and there you can see that I have the camera here, and I want to show you. So you can see there is the camera view, and we have this photo and the video option here, and also we have some of the buttons here. So this one is to capture the photo and the video, and this one is for the filters of the image, and this one is for the applying the stickers, and this one is for changing the pictures, the features of the picture, and this one is for the funny faces. So let me open a face and let me try to run it, and there you can see. And if I apply a filter, if we apply a sticker here, so I will click on this and I will select this one, and there you can see that we have applied the sticker, and it is automatically adjusting to the eyes and nose of the face. And if there are multiple images, so it can easily you can see that it has easily used, and you can see. Okay, so guys, the another thing is, let me open it. Okay, and we can have the stickers here. We have some of other stickers, like this one is for the eyes, you can see this one is for the there, and there are a lot of other stickers which you can apply, and these are basically animations. So yes, and this one is for the dog, so you can see the dog is passing by. This one is for this one, and okay, so let me just have this and press close, and we can capture the image. So I will click on it, and there you can see the image has been captured, and there is the button to edit the image, and this one is the button to share the image. So let me just open and edit the image. So here you can see we have all these things. We can add the text, we can add some filters to our image, we can have some emojis, and we have this sticker. So if I click on text, so yes, we can write any of the text here. So let me write hello, and you can select the font and the color. So let's say we want the purple color, and we have to click on done, and yes, we can apply it to any place of the image. So let me apply it here, and also we have some of the filters. So you can see we can change the filters. All right, so I will go back, and there is also for the emojis, so we can apply some of the emojis here, and also we have got some stickers. So there some of the stickers are available, and we can apply it. Okay, and if we press tick button, and there you can see the image has been saved to our internal directory. Alright, so another thing which I want to show you is these are the real filters, so which we can apply to our the camera. So there you can see, here we have a lot of filters here which are real time, and we can have it. Alright, and after this we have this let me open this funny faces. So if I have this face, and there you can see it is the face is now changed, and there are a lot of other faces which we can change them, and there you go. Alright, so there we have this image, and we can capture it. And let's go back, and also the last thing is we have this photo editor. So basically you can change your features. For example, you can change the slim, the length, then we have the chin, then we have the eye size, then we have the distance of eyes, then we have the nose features like its length, its size, and also some of the other things. So if we have this, so let me just change it here. Okay, then we will have the angle of the eyes, so we can change it, and also some of the other things. Alright, then we have the slim, so we can change, and there you go. Alright, so another thing which I want to show you is that we can also capture the video. So if I have opened the video and I capture it, so you will be able to save the video, and there you go. If I press on this, so the video has been stopped, and there you can see the video is playing inside the video player. Also there, if you don't want the ads, so you can click on this ads button at the top, and you can have the ad free version of this app. So if I click on this, so you can see we can pay directly using the Google billing API in Android, and there is, since it is saying that this version of the application is not configured, because it's not configured, so that's why I am not able to use this. So, and also we have the ads here. So this is the app, and if you want the app, you can send me the message, and I will get back to you shortly. And also I want to mention that the source code is not free, so don't ask me if you don't want to pay for this source code. Alright guys, so if you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and goodbye.